Anyway, today I just didn't blush anyhow because today on top another episode of the ChookMouthGeng.
Nothing serious, just
Just
vibe.
vibes. Thank
That's
you for
how
that
we
one.
roll.
My name still remain A to the D to the A. And that fine girl, God. You my beauty, they stress me.
Let's continue now.
And again, I get puppy spending with
In
me.
dollars, you know what, Timagbo. That's how we roll. Head of Women
I
Affairs.
never see any
Moving
dollars.
the women
I
ministry
never say any
forward.
dollars since I know you.
That's how
Since
we
I
know.
know you, I never see anyone.
It's audio dollars
and then
now.
we get two big fish.
Aye,
God!
Are you a fisherman? Yeah, fisherwoman.
You go catch because I get by my side. She foot chair, she balance. As they say, I no be say Ashmusy baby.
Okay, the only Ash money for Naija.
Oh,
Ashmusy
yeah.
herself.
Oh,
Ashmusy
yeah.
vibes. Now me day here. Nothing
Yeah,
dey happen.
Okay, everybody move backwards because I get opposite me like this. The Malian president. Mandykiss, how you dey?
Mandykiss wa kere ni.
I no small.
At all.
Bust my head. Okay, Lagos. Today go dey very, very interesting because if you see the kind of people who get on top ChookMouthGeng today, you gonna know say we no come here to play at all. But before I go drop the topic, we go yarn. Person talk something. I see am on top social media. Mandy and Ash. I think call you Ash just for sure.
Of course.
Okay, great. Mandy and Ash. I see something. I don't know if I see that post. Where one man talk say, if you don't sleep with more than 5 boys, men or girls, you no get the right to call your reproductive organ private. Say it belong to Ministry of Tourism.
It's a
And
public
if you don't
something now.
sleep with more than 10, maybe to 13 to 15 boys, men, women, girls, your reproductive organ now belong to the United Nations.
It's a public something now.
It can't bring me to the topic where I want to make we yarn today. And the topic now, how long is too long for sex? Now the topic where I want to talk. How long is too long for sex? And I want me to just sharply help me answer this one before we go begin to negotiate them. Mandy, how long is too long for sex?
How long is too long for sex? I don't really
Like
understand.
for example now, if you're a man day and I want to do the do.
If me and Ade, we did now.
I feel talk small.
Of course, you go talk. I will come to
Okay,
you, baby.
okay.
I will come to you, baby.
Oh, why not?
How long is too long for sex? For example, you don't claim you now. How long you feel say, if you do and reach, you go say, it's trying a man he be.
As I am, I know they tire.
I beg, cheers to that, baby, cheers. You know they tire, me.
At all.
So like 24 hours.
Till whenever. Like,
Hey.
I don't know.
No, now your natural energy be any answers follow.
That's my energy.
Natural
Child.
energy 24 hours.
Even if she tired, I go vulcanize her. You get the
Papi
point.
spending, how long is too long for sex for you?
Vulcanize her every time.
How long is too long for you?
For me, basically, make I know add any just 2 hours only too long for me.
2 hours.
2 hours.
Okay, make I help you break it down. From the foreplay to the sex itself. 2 hours.
Foreplay 30
Why they
minutes.
lick clips? They talk to me.
Make
talk
it sexy.
straight.
And that's sex we talk about. So make it sexy. Foreplay, I would run foreplay package for like 30 minutes, depending on the girl now. And then for the main sex, I feel do like say 20 minutes. So on the average, 15 minutes on the okay for me.
Who go ask?
But Paris, I don't finish work now.
Hey.
How long is too long for sex for you?
Now man beans are there with here. I be hey. I hear they pay me. Should I hear they pay me? Guy. Once it pass 5 minutes, Oga comes and beg.
I don't understand.
Once it pass 5 minutes, Oga
don't
comes
go
out
kill
from my
herself
body.
now.
Are you cooking noodles?
You want drill hole for our body?
understand.
Is it WhatsApp status?
No be riot now.
Is it Insta story?
No be war.
Wait.
Them men
Supposed
work
to
Every
be short.
So which make you understand, say everybody get that natural energy.
Okay.
So
that's
for her
too
now,
small.
5 minutes too
That's
small.
Exactly.
Make I explain like no vessel like actual knack actual
Penetration, sex.
Nakademus.
You know meant to pass highest 10 minutes if you too love and
No.
lie.
Okay, wait, Mandy, why if you saying a lie?
I can't enjoy it.
Okay.
No.
That's
Ten.
what we do together.
Yes.
Not 10 seconds 10 minutes
Once
so
you are done, we start
But wait,
again.
this thing
Lord
when
of
Mandy
Jesus.
talk now, it can't bring me to another point. Because of this thing where you talk, I can't feel saying I make men they won't prove a point every time they do with a woman. Because now, Ash baby talk say 5 minutes for her, they okay. Now that's the farthest. If there's a word like that, she can go. But for you now, they talk say if you stop, continue again.
yes.
If you stop, continue, and you say if you go 24 hours. So with all these things now you make men they try to prove a point now because when they don't top woman they go one knock even when they die there their thing don't stretch. They still won't do.
I must feel it. Like I can't have sex without enjoying
I
it.
will please
So
you.
5
You
minutes
feel
too
me?
small.
It's very, very small. Like I can't feel anything.
No verse. No. I beg
No,
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 be
no,
5
no.
seconds, man. 5 minutes.
I know 5 minutes. I know.
What do they do after 5 minutes?
Oh my God. Okay, break them down for us, but make them understand.
Explain.
Break them down, Mandy.
10 minutes no do me.
Okay.
I can't enjoy it. I don't feel enjoy am.
Okay.
If now they don't finish, I go start again.
You no go rest.
It will now, like few minutes later,
But you must shall continue.
Yes,
No
you must
pausing.
do-
Yeah.
So in a day like this, if they fire, they go.
If me and
they
the
move to
guy
fire.
dey, what one they do this
Fire,
time now?
ting,
So they
ting.
do am steady.
Anyway,
Speechless.
for Ashmusy, I am like wow though. Okay.
Okay, I think I hear you.
My guy, like for me, foreplay are the main thing. You understand? Use your tongue, use your finger,
Licking
put
of
your
the
head
place.
inside. Make me scream, make me vibrate. Let me tear that bedspread. Then we can now start the 5 minutes game.
Let's go.
I'm on
Okay.
I'm on your own. eh?
Okay, but Mandy, make I ask you this question now. You know what? I they always start with you because now you they talk say you like them on the go like 24 hours.
Yeah.
Anybody don't meet your standard. Any remarkable moment, you say, if you, this particular guy, you try. You don't need to call the person name. But any guy don't meet your standard.
You know, say me, I be Malian. Anybody wey won't knock me, say go be Malian.
Child.
And Malian, they knock anything.
Hey,
You understand? Malian ogbo kokon, one
yeah.
do idokudo. So I no fit date gentle guy now. Gentle guy no fit knock me. Na person wey dey sha. So you understand what I dey talk? Person wey dey sha, wey be saying get power well, fit handle me.
Okay? Any person don't meet your own standard of, you say 20 minutes, Abi?
She can meet my standard.
No, I'm not sure. Because you say 20 minutes and she said she fit go 24 hours.
And to be honest, people don't meet my standard very well. Plenty of people, even yourself, you don't try them, but like over to her.
Yeah, but make I also ask you, anybody don't meet your standard of 5 minutes?
I mean, when I say 5 minutes, I don't mean say it must be 5 minutes. I don't date people who be say we don't knock like 10, 15, 20, you know. But from that like 10, like after 10 minutes, in my head I'm like, can you freaking come and get the fuck out of my body? You know? But like 5 minutes is like it's gonna be short, sweet, intense, and boom, it just happens.
Quick question, Quick
Yeah.
question.
Yeah.
You like quick, straight to the point, bam.
Yeah.
Come down for my body.
Yes.
You don't meet any guy we won't go beyond the way where your body carry him.
Yes.
And then you for your body, you don't know say that time your mind they tell you say you don't do your body say go to react to the feeling
Yes.
of. And the guy they tell you say no baby I
Yes.
still wanna fire.
I want to prove a point.
After that 10, 15 minutes there, guy, the pum pum not they dry already. It's already peppering me. Just calm down, done. You go see her from my body. Say, I don't do. I'm done. Without me saying it, you go no. You get. Because me, my knacking no be like I don't like fuck like marathon like. Not I'm not a Malian kind
Slow
of.
and
Yeah, I like
steady.
making love. I like to feel the chemistry. I like it to be intense, to be sweet. Like to feel it in my nerves. Like I'm not even.
Let's say you be very passionate somebody.
Exactly. I'm a very emotional and passionate person. So I like to like actually feel it deep inside of me.
You can't be like this an opposite of what an opposite.
What an opposite, exactly.
Mandy, how you dey like your own? Now slow and steady, I be
Water.
both.
Yeah.
But which one carry more marks if you want squam? Okay, another question. Oh my God, see here. Anytime, oh God. Oh, today, now go hear word. Papi, make I ask you.
Okay, cool.
Where be the craziest place where you don't knock? Craziest place. You know, say I've been asked person this question, and surprisingly, the person tell me say inside keke, and up to now, I still they wonder how two people feel knock inside keke. And I never see paint the picture.
It's
for
a
my
bumper
head.
ride, baby.
So you, where be the craziest place where you don't knock?
This is what I won't talk an embarrassment. But to be honest,
And then catch you.
I don't. No, they don't catch me.
Okay, where?
I don't run foreplay and attempt to knock inside cinema before.
Cinema. Other people they
For
there.
the back, yes now. For
Back
the
seats.
back seats. Just me and my baby. We just there,
Back seats.
Then the Lord walk. You know,
Okay.
see that place, nobody go catch you. It is cold. Everybody
They
they focus on
dark.
top of the movie where they watch.
Okay.
So we just start our foreplay. They run 1 or 2. The Lord's ministry, and at the end of the day, we do all right.
Okay, Mandy,
So
where?
cinema for me.
Inside the car.
Car.
Yes.
Car.
Normal smoker. I mean,
In-
keke.
No, car, moto.
Moto
Yes.
car. The
But
car
so-
upon the bounce.
It was
I can't-
rush. So-
Rush,
Bounce
sharp,
it,
quickie
yes,
things.
yes.
Ashmusy.
Okay, well, for me, I don't knock for cinema. I don't knock for car because I actually prefer it out of the box. I don't like bed vibes. So, but craziest, if you ask me, I'll say the stairs. Did they want to knock for stairs that time? Like that's like when you climb stairs, finish that upstairs. So when they do, I'm quickie, doggy.
That last part to take
Yeah,
you don't climb
exactly. So you have to like rush it so we can come. Both come.
Oh, damn it, Coco.
Okay, still on you, Ash. Waiting they turn you on, and waiting they turn you off. Because I remember one time when I tell one guy say my forehead they turn me on. I don't know what to make me tell. And the stupid guy for some reason like to dey touch my forehead.
Oh, it maybe now where you get to Oh, damn it.
But seriously, waiting they turn you on and turn you off.
Okay, listen, they turn me on now. Okay, my nipples, just touch my nipples softly. Don't do it like some DJ Dix thing. Nah, calm down.
That's not plumbing work.
Don't injure me, I beg. So do it softly, and then we have
Why you they turn on?
No. I'm listening to
Should they
this.
explain? They do. Why you they turn on?
Okay, passionate, sweet kisses. I love kissing a lot, and then my nipples, and then my thighs, in between my thighs. Just touch it softly and slowly, baby.
Okay, Mandy. Malian president. How you be? Waiting they turn you on. I go still come back to waiting they turn you off. But waiting they turn you on right now. Not be like right now, like during sex.
It can happen anytime. This is a Malian.
Probably when you're kissing me and you touch my hair, like this way.
Ooh.
Yes.
Okay, just that.
For me, the neck, the ear, and the nipples. Just for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ear, neck, and nipples.
Nipples,
Why
yeah.
did he follow each other like this?
On a
straight line.
On a straight line. We're not a curve. Very straight.
Waiting they turn you off now.
To be honest, if a girl yawn, when would they knock? That's in the
But
turn
that's
me
in
off.
a natural something now.
If he yawn, when would they knock? If it turn me off.
You can't be like, say, you know they do well.
Oh, me come like say she don't tire. Yawning they turn me
They
off.
can no yawn again.
No yawn. No go yawn.
I don't understand.
Don't carry that one come.
So if I want to, I'll go choke on my
Swallow
yawn.
the yawning.
Hey, Mandy, I beg, help me until they turn you off.
Bad. This
Mouth
odor.
odor.
Yes.
We're supposed to
I
turn
love
everybody
it
on.
when the guy smells nice. Not that I want to move close to you, then
I should turn you off.
Thank you, baby.
Like Mandy said, I don't like bad breath. I beg, bad breath, bad smell. Anyway, I could never even say yes or even reply a guy that will be smelling bad because that's like Jesus. No.
But if you don't know, like what if you don't know?
I will
some
know.
guys look nice.
On the first DM, on the first chat, they're still asking me they can so we don't waste our time chatting in vain.
So you ask him, what,
Do you
wait,
smell
what-
bad? What's your height? What's your height?
Okay, you be height person.
Yeah, I
too.
like tall. I like them tall.
I've lost this race. I can't
Okay,
look it.
why you say tall? So you know if you go out with guy where you top us.
No, at all. I mean, I'm not trying to. By God's grace, I cannot go out with the guy. I'm
By God's grace.
Say,
What
like
of
I'm-
you, Mandy?
You know?
Guy where you top us. You know, she even think like, I no fit. No matter how you be, it no fit happen.
I don't fit. It go headache
You are
me.
no
oh.
fit ask you now because
Which- I don't understand.
everybody top us.
Hello. This guy. Oga. If we go check our height, I top us on the kiss.
You know top us Mandykiss.
And then ashes on heels as well.
No,
Ah,
Ash na
heels and
tall
tall.
girl. You know, see us for this side we tall.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
tall side and short side.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm short of words.
Okay, another question. Now when I want drop, and this one, it is quite important because I want to ask most ladies. Normally, inside bedroom or whichever place when I find myself, the knacking process, they like to just wait, make the guy be the person we go initiate, show body, give the green light. If the guy don't give the green light, then because they hungry them to do the do, but they will just fold hand, they look, they wait. Okay, do something, move body now.
Yeah.
But now, Ash, Now you they give green light first, or you they wait make
Now
the
you
guy.
did shit.
Well, I understand. Of course, I understand the question. So basically, as I did say, me when I did in love or like I really like a guy, really love a guy. Anyhow, I don't need to wait for the guy. You from kissing, we go enter anywhere we are. I must kiss and touch and from there.
Or
we're
you be
going to
PDA
knack.
kind of person. You like public display
I
of affection.
I don't even like it. I love public display of affection. Like crazy.
Eh.
I kiss, I touch, I do everything anywhere.
I will start from here now.
Everywhere.
It's outside.
So I no just swear. What of you, Mandy? You they like to be the best way go start, or you go wait make the guy start? Why I know the answer to this question?
I'm always
Ready.
Wait. I'm always ready. So,
Wait, say that you're always wet. I really want us as
I'm
day like you.
so I'm ready anyway. Like
Anywhere, any day.
even if you are not interested, I'll force you. You must do it.
that's
Make
it.
me happy. I must be happy now.
Okay, and you also like, of course, I know say you go like the public display of affection
Anyway,
for public.
If you're on the boat cruise, we will do anywhere. I
Yeah.
don't care. We are
Like-
dating now.
What if people they you like bossy your mouth? What if people they there? You no mind?
I don't care.
People they there.
No, we can't do it in front of people. But
Obviously.
Okay.
there's just some places
Okay.
that
Private.
you know.
Private corners.
Yeah.
What of you? Waiting, how you think say sex supposed to? How you think say people supposed to enjoy their sex life? If they say make you drop advice now for people where they complain about their sex life, how you feel say they supposed to enjoy their sex life? Mandy, I'll start with you.
Okay, for instance, me, I said I love it when a guy do it non-stop.
Okay.
You know, we have she said 5 minutes. If you want to have a partner, you know, okay, this kind of partner I'm having. But how long can you do this? I'm always this, I'm always that. Like
make-
you have
make
to
the
know,
discuss.
yes,
Know
yes.
your partner,
You
know
will
your
know the
partner
kind of
and know what
person
they
you're having
want.
something
Yeah.
with now. Okay, this person, he doesn't
No
want
whether
it
the person
this
fit
time.
your energy.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you are not, then I'll go. Because I must be happy. I can't be okay.
So
want
you
me
know
to
people
date you?
endure. You know if you
No, because I will definitely shit.
okay,
They can't do
you
what I
don't
want,
shit,
so
yeah.
I don't want to shit. So I'll just have to.
Ash, make I ask you.
How if you enjoy sex as
And
people.
improve
Okay,
your sex
okay.
life too.
Okay, first of all, men need to understand, say, penetration is not the main thing.
Bah.
You just coming and holding a girl and putting your stuff inside is not the main thing. Freaking make her wet, make her want you, make her crave for it. You know, touch her, do all the sucking, all the kissing, all the touching. It's way too important. That should be the beginning before the penetration. Please, it's very important because some men don't know this, you know.
Exactly.
And women, as for women, don't be like a log of wood on the bed. Actually be active, at least more and be sexy about it. Try, make moves, you know, more and do it. Like even if you're not enjoying it, just try manage for that moment.
Pretend.
Baby.
Yeah.
And be very vocal. Be vocal. You don't have to be quiet like Ode. You don't have to be like Ode.
Wait till you go talk about people with the fake
Be
orgasm.
vocal. All of us, I don't know, I can't generalize, but some of us don't fake orgasm once or twice because the person know they really get on right, and we just need to get off that.
That stage.
Just
Yeah,
like
that's-
that,
yeah.
like that, just fake
that
it.
kind of thing.
Maybe
So
because the person have money and I just want the person
To be
money.
feeling
And I want the
pleased.
person to just feel like he's doing the right thing. So I'll just have to fake
Okay,
it.
you just fake it.
Yeah.
Fake it till you make it.
okay, well, I've explained my own. Whenever I fake it, it's probably because the person not getting it right, and we
And
cannot
you just
keep doing
want
this.
stand up from that
Exactly,
point.
exactly.
Okay, over to you, Papi. How you say people go feel as improve and
Improve.
enjoy their sex life?
Exercise is good.
Okay.
Also eating fruits,
Okay.
banana and the likes, and also drinking a lot of water can help you during sex. So that's it basically. And also, if you did take juice they replenish energy. Because me and Mandykiss they on the same page now. To stop and continue, stop and continue.
You know
we
they-
need a lot of juice
No,
now.
you know they. You said
So
20
we-
minutes. She said 24 hours. She said 5
No.
minutes.
30 minutes for foreplay, 20 minutes for the knacking.
Okay.
That's 50 minutes.
That is 1 hour. You don't even need to calculate. It's
Only
1 hour.
24.
You read 23 hours.
Voila, be like Mandykiss sex.
You know they tire.
You know they tire and vulcanize.
Okay.
You know they finish.
Okay, I tell you, I'm saying I'm going to enjoy today's episode of ChookMouthGeng, and that's why we'll take rap and more because we know we'll keep them for too long. Very, very busy and important people. No easy to drag them come here.
I tell
And then
you.
so when you go watch them, if you go watch them, when you watch them, you go tell me, you go tell us the team where you fall under. If it's Team Mandy, 24 hours.
Back to back is a hit. Woto.
She know they tire. You be Team Ash, baby. I don't give her a new name. Slow and steady. do the needful.
I get what I mean.
For play it.
For play.
It doesn't have to be slow and steady all the time. From slow to fast to slow, but passionate and sweet.
What's your time frame again?
5-10 minutes max.
5-10 minutes max.
Oh, very close.
You be team papi spending
$.
1 hour,
Better.
30 minutes foreplay,
So we can come pray. There's
20 minutes. Ask God forgiveness of sin.
Yeah, ask for
20
forgiveness
minutes
of sin. Yeah.
penetration.
Yeah.
Which team you fall under?
But-
how long is too long for sex? Now the topic.
you know talk your own.
Me? You God, look me now by the length of my hair. And that's how we take end to the episode of ChookMouthGeng. We love you. I love you, Ash baby.
Love you
I love you,
too.
man. Thank you very much for
Yeah.
coming. Papi, I got you my corner always.
Yes.
All right.